Hello, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the tutorial of this cactus, and for this path tutorial you can find the video link in my description. You can make this one first and then you can come back here to make this cactus so that you will complete this plant. And for this tutorial you will need a 100%, I use 100% acrylic yarn in this size, and I use 3.5mm crochet hook. To begin, start by doing a magic ring, chain, and then 8 single crochet inside the ring. Then once you have 8 single crochet, pull the tail. Then for round 2, do a single crochet in the first chain, then mark it, and then in the next chain do a increase. So just repeat single crochet and then increase, then you will have 12 single crochet stitches. Then for round 3 to round 10, single crochet each for 8 rounds. And then this is what it looked like after the 8 rounds. Then fill with stuffing. After fill with stuffing, round 11, single crochet in the next 2 chain, mark it, and then increase in the next chain. Repeat for a total of 16 single crochet stitches around. Then for round 12 and 13, single crochet each for 2 rounds for a 16 single crochet stitches around. For round 14, single crochet 1, and then mark it, single crochet in the next, single crochet in the third, 1 2 3, and then increase in the next chain. Repeat for a total of 20 single crochet stitches. Continue doing in round 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 until to round 22, and we'll meet right at the end. And this is what it looked like after the round 22. For round 23, single crochet in the first, in the next second, in the next third, in the next chain 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then do a front loop only. Insert your hook in the front loop only here, and then insert your hook in the next chain in the front loop only. Then grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then repeat single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then front loop only decrease, in the next, and repeat for a total of 36 single crochet stitches around. Then continue in round 24 to round 30. After the round 30, insert or fill with stuffing, but not so much, not too much. Just leave it flat like this. Just this. Then after, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Then take your darning needle, insert in the front loop only. Then sew the remaining 8 chains. And then insert here, going inside. For this pattern, follow from round 1 to round 7, and then cut and leave extra tail for sewing.